Hey there, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. This is where you can find me. This is one of the 5 Target boxes for April. That's right, they had 3 in store and 2 via mail. And I got the 2 via mail for sure. And maybe a couple of the in stores, I don't know. Guess you have to watch and find out. So this one is on Naturel Beauty. All natural products here. So they're eco-conscious versions that are high quality and wallet friendly. Yay. And I love some of these brands. So let's get into the products. So, Target Beauty, April 2019, All Natural Beauty, mailed box number 1. So, actually, here's the first. There's no coupon on this one. It's just about, oh, wait, there's still the coupon, but they want you to download Target app, scan the barcode, and then find the coupon in your wallet. Ooh, okay, getting all complicated on me. Okay, on Natural Beauty products. So we have Shea Moisture, African Black Soap, Clarifying Facial Wash, and Scrub with Pteramine Extract and Tea Tree Oil. So I've had the body scrub version of this, which was freaking awesome, so I'm excited to try the face. Fun times. Then here's a brand I haven't tried before. It's called The Good Stuff. It's Repair Balm. It's plant-based detanglers that leave your locks soft and smooth. Okay. So you put it on towel-dried hair. So it's like a leave-in conditioner. And then don't put it on your roots. Dry style as usual. I do a lot of air drying. It's no rinse conditioner for towel dried hair. Oh, it's vegan if you're into that. Then we have Schmidt's Cedar Wood and Juniper Bar Soap. We're getting like a return to bar soap because of all the microbeads and shower gels and stuff. So a lot of people are returning to bar soap. This is vegan and cruelty-free. It's got the little bunny on it. So I would open it up and smell it, but yeah, let's just open it up and smell it. It's got charcoal and exfoliating volcanic sand. Okay, if I can get it open. Maybe we're not gonna get it open. Oh wait, there we go. Oh, interesting. Look at that. Ooh, it's very, that's kind of neutral scent. So boys, girls, girls who like girls, girls who like boys, boys who like boys, boys who like girls, girly boys, tomboys. All could be down for that. Then we have Love, Beauty and Planet, which, oh my God, I love them. Oh my gosh, it was some of my favorite. Muru Butter Mask Sachet. So, you put it on the ends of your hair. It's a 2-minute magic mask. Renewal for dull hair and acts of love for our planet. So, it's a deep conditioner moisturizer for your hair. Then we also have the Love, Beauty and Planet Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower hand lotion. Let's smell it. I like good hand lotion. Oh, it's got that little thingy on it. I hate these so much. I know they keep the products fresh, but they're so hard to get off when they're that tiny. Okay. It says Luscious Hydration. Okay, it's not too thick. There we go. Just a little bit. Oh, it's very lightweight. Very not like thick. Takes you 10 minutes of wringing your hands like Lady Macbeth to get it all rubbed in. Ooh, it's a little sticky though. Maybe that goes away. Yeah, it's a little sticky. Okay, that's an honest review there. Then finally, Burt's Bees Enamel Care Fluoride Toothpaste in Mountain Mint. It's specially formulated to leave your breath smelling fresh, your mouth feeling clean, and your enamel strong. So yeah, natural toothpaste, which is awesome because I'm almost out of toothpaste. Anyway, that's how to be all natural beauty on a budget with Target. Until then, till next time, stay beautiful and follow me